Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can import issues from CSV in Jira. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Jira. After that, log in or sign up on the website, and once you are done logging in, you will be able to see an interface like this. Here you just have to click on settings icon at the right corner, and you just have to select system settings. Now select the external system export option. You will be able to see a bunch of options here. Since we are going to use CSV, I'll select CSV. Then it will ask you to add a file from where it will import issues. Simply locate the file and then simply select it. We'll leave the advanced option as they are to keep the tutorial simple. Then simply select the project in which you want the issues to be imported. Or you can mark the defined in CSV if that's the case. Anyways, so over on the next page, you'll be able to see all of the issues you just imported. The most important fields to be filled are assigned project name, project key, and summary. And after you are done setting it up, click on begin import and you are done. And that's how you can import issues from CSV in Jira. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.